friends, welcome to math class. So we've been working really hard in unit 3 and we've been learning all about rounding and place value, and so today we're going to put it all together and do a review before our assessment. So we're going to get started. Make sure you have your whiteboard and follow along with me. The first thing we're going to do is round to the nearest 10. So if I have the number 76 and I want to round to the nearest 10, I'm looking at my ones place. It's the bossy number and it's going to tell me what the 10 needs to do. 5 or more, up the score. So we know that 6 is more than 5, so it goes up to 80. Now your turn on your whiteboard. Try 84. Round it to the nearest 10. Looking at the ones, what does the 4 tell the 8 to do? If you said 80 and let it rest, you are correct. The 4 tells the 8 to stay the same. Great job. All right, let's do one with 3 digits. If you have the number 228 and you're going to round to the nearest 10, you're still looking at your ones telling the 10 what to do. Now, 5 or more, up the score. 4 or less, let it rest. So the 8 tells the 2 to go up, so we're going to go from 2 tens to 3 tens. So we round this number to 230. Now you try on your whiteboard, do 568. Round this number to the nearest 10. Pause the video and solve. Okay, so hopefully you were looking at your ones, it's the boss, and the 8 tells the 6, time to go on up. So the 6 becomes 7 tens, so we're at 570. We're going to do one more, and we're going to do the thousands. The numbers are getting bigger, the process stays exactly the same. So my thousands is going to be 3,841. Rounding to the nearest 10. Pause the video and try. Hopefully you took a second to pause. The 1 tells the 4 to stay the same. So rounding this number to the nearest 10 would be 3,840. All right. Now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to move to the hundreds. So if I have, we're going to go ahead and start with 3 digits. We could do like 97 can round to the nearest 100, right? And it would be 100. All right, but we're going to go ahead and start with 3 digits, 389. Now, rounding to the nearest 100, we look at our hundreds and our tens. Our 10 tells our 100 what to do. And 8 tens is more than 5 tens, so we go up to 400. Okay, I want you to try this one. 271. Round it to the nearest 100. The 1, I was thinking tens, think hundreds. The 7 tells the 2 what to do. 7 tens is more than 5 tens, so we again round up. Let's give you another example. Write down the number 461. Round to the nearest 100. Here's my hundreds place. Here's my 6. 6 is more than 5, so we round up. We're changing this to 500. All right, so 6 tens tells 4 hundreds to go up. Good job. Try this one. 3,271. Round to the nearest 100. Pause the video and round. So I want to round to the nearest hundred. So I'm looking at my 2 is going to change. Is it going to go up or down, or stay this up or stay the same? The 7 is the boss, and 7 tenths is more than 5. So, yep, it goes to 3,300, just like that. All right, so we've done a lot of work on rounding.